Today we're going to be installing a Serpentine belt on a 2014 Chevy Cruze. Well, let's take this kind of jack and roll it underneath, right underneath the oil pan, and just make it snug, just to hold the weight of the engine. There you go, you can see the jack just has the motor oil pan resting on the jack. That's just exactly what we need. You can see part of the belt still in there. So what we're going to do is take this air box, flip it upside down on top of the motor. We'll have to undo this clamp, and it snaps out of a bracket there and this bracket right here. And then there's a little hose you can see right down there. We'll just pull that out too. And then we'll tell you what we're going to do from there. Let's take it off. Now that the air box is out of the way, we're going to have to undo these 3 bolts. This nut, this bolt here, and this bolt here. Let's just get at it. All 6 bolts are out. This thing comes right out of here. Just place this on the ground. And we can take our old belt pieces out. And we got to take this off. There's a bolt here, one down there. Let's get this off so it's easier to work with. Now we got the other 3 bolts out. Leave them in here. They have to stay in here. They're not long enough to put them in when you put the bracket in place. So leave the bolts in here. They go right back in the way they came out. Let's get our belt on. Make sure we get the configuration correct. We have the belt on. Now we're going to loosen this belt tightener here by pushing down on this wrench here. As we push down on this, we'll be able to extend this belt around the alternator. Let's get it done. Well, we were able to get the belt on. Make sure they're seated really nicely down the bottom here, down here, and we'll start putting it all back together. We'll put this bracket back on, tighten these 3 bolts up nice and snug, move on to the next step. Now we're going to take this bracket and we're going to hand tighten. Get everything fit in loosely, make sure it all fits, then tighten it up. Well, now that we have all 6 hand tightened, we're going to tighten them all up nice and snug, and we'll put the air box back in. 6 bolts are all tight. We're going to put the air box in place. We have to make sure that fits in here nicely, and these 2 rubber mounts. One goes here, one goes over here. Make sure this little hose goes back in. Let's put it in place. There we go. Air box is all in. All we got to do is tighten this clamp up and fire it up. Don't forget to take the jack out gently. And there you have it, replacing the Serpentine belt. Chevy Cruze 2014. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope it helps you fix your car. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next project.